Yes, I do, as it happens. So if you don't know, Black Friday always falls, and that's a big sales day, always falls on the Friday right after Thanksgiving in the USA. So that's November the 29th this year. So that's a big sale day. And then you also have Cyber Monday, which falls on the Monday after Black Friday. And this year that's December the 2nd, okay? And they're huge, big sales days, just like Prime is a big sales day. So it's a really cool thing to do to get yourself onto there. So let's just go onto Amazon.com. And they have this, they'll have a Black Friday, they have Cyber Monday right around the world as well, because any excuse to have a sale on Amazon, they're all over it. So how to hack that? What you're going to find is this. There will be heaps of people who set up Amazon PPC to run on Black Friday and on Cyber Monday, and the bid costs, the amount you have to spend to buy a click, will be insane. It's insane. So what do you do? Well, what I do is I run my Amazon PPC prior to, and I do this at Prime as well, prior to the big sale day, so Black Friday. I run it, say, on Monday and on Tuesday and on Wednesday, and then I switch it off. Because what I try and do is I try and use PPC to give my listing an artificial boost up the search rankings, so that come Black Friday, my product is actually on page 1 of page 1 of Amazon. It's actually there, so I get shitloads of organic traffic rather than having to buy the traffic. So I do that every year, and every year it works. So that's what I would do. It's a really cool little hack. Don't run any Amazon PPC on Prime Day, Black Friday, Couples Day. Don't run it at all on that. Run it before to give your product an artificial boost, and then you'll get the natural sales from natural SEO, organic SEO, on the actual sales days, which is cool. So do that. That's a really good thing to do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.